Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a different type of video. If you didn't know, me and my husband are both Florida realtors, and today we are out doing one of our favorite things to do, which is to fish.
Well, my favorite thing is to catch fish. I don't like fish, I want to catch fish.
Yeah, not one of our best days for fishing, but this is one of the beautiful things that you can do in Southwest Florida. We're just going to share some beautiful footage of Southwest Florida to help you decide if this is somewhere you would like to buy a home or an investment home.
See, it's going to highlight every bit of Southwest Florida, from every aspect of Fort Myers to Cape Coral up to Punta Gorda, down to Naples. A lot of things that to see, a lot of things to do. Caught us on a great day today, a little overcast, but I think we'll be okay. I just want to catch some fish. That's really what I want to do today.
Yeah, some beautiful drone footage, so I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Enjoy the show.
Water has a way of renewing your spirit. Even in biblical times, it was symbolic of rebirth. Perhaps this is why the Fort Myers Cape Coral Metro has 3 cities among the top 10 fastest growing areas in the country. Today, we travel to Southwest Florida to a popular vacation destination, the Fort Myers Cape Coral region. We start with a nature lover's paradise on Captiva and Sanibel Islands, where there are some of the most pristine beaches you will find in the U.S. We then cross the Caloosahatchee River to a city of canals, Cape Coral. We see the charming ambience of downtown Fort Myers that drew the original snowbirds, Thomas Edison and Henry Ford, to build their winter homes here. We will then go back to the coastline, to Estero Island, and view Fort Myers Beach coming back to life, known for its old Florida rustic charm. We'll continue down the coast and ending at Bonita Beach. So come with us as we explore Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Sanibel, Captiva, a waterfront wonderland. As you enter Fort Myers from I-75, you begin to see the great water scenery as you go over the Caloosahatchee River. Fort Myers was ranked number 6 among the fastest growing cities in the U.S. by Wallet Hub in 2019. Its sister city, Cape Coral, was number 9. And nearby Lehigh Acre, 60 miles to the east, is the number 1 fastest growing city in the country. We'll get into some interesting facts later. But first, we're going to head straight out on the Sanibel Causeway, heading up to Captiva Island. I have to rank this as the best causeway I have ever seen. But this causeway blows away the Corton Campbell in Tampa Bay or the MacArthur Causeway in Miami easily. Plenty of great parking, more birds, trees, park benches. We'll show you more of it on our return trip. For now, let's get up to Captiva Island. 14 miles from the causeway is the northernmost public beach on Captiva, Allison Hagerup Beach Park, named after the lady who was instrumental in fighting for beach renourishment projects. We begin to head south back towards the causeway on Captiva Drive. The barrier islands of Captiva and Sanibel are great for kayaking, finding seashells, swimming in clear ocean water, or fishing at Turner Beach. Blind Pass is where we cross from Captiva to Sanibel Island. It is here you can find cozy cottages by Castaway Cottages. No overcrowded beach condos with resort fees here. Just a great place to unwind and relax. Get back to nature. "10 miles from the causeway is Bowman's Beach Park. The parking is a little ways from the beach, but a nice walk on the boardwalk brings you to the beach. This park and beach is dog friendly, has a shaded playground, picnic tables, outdoor showers. A tree-lined bike path runs along the side of Sanibel Captiva Road and Periwinkle Way, part of a 25-mile trail that meanders across both islands. As we start to enter the eastern part of Sanibel Island, you will find an assortment of exclusive shops and restaurants with a quaint small-town atmosphere. a Dairy Queen 2 miles from the causeway. The Sanibel Lighthouse, also known as Point Ebel Light, was one of the first lighthouses on Florida's Gulf Coast. First lit in 1884, the Lighthouse Beach Park takes up the whole eastern tip of Sanibel Island. It has a fishing pier on the north side that faces the causeway and a picnic area on the south part of the island that faces the Gulf of Mexico. It is great for finding shells due to the east-west orientation part of this island, also great for viewing dolphins, pelicans, and ospreys. We now head back towards the causeway. The Causeway Island Park is a narrow 10-acre park that runs along the Sanibel Causeway across San Carlos Bay. Very popular for fishing, kayaking, swimming, windsurfing, kiteboarding, or jet skiing. The toll for the Sanibel Causeway is $6. As well as great beaches, Fort Myers has some impressive inland parks. One of them is Lakes Regional Park, a huge park in the southern part of Fort Myers. It has bicycle paddlecraft boat rentals, large picnic shelters, amphitheater, bike trails, splash pad, and several gardens within the park. You can even ride a miniature train at the Railroad Museum located in the park. With parks like this, no wonder people want to live in Fort Myers. City of Palms Park was once the spring home of the Boston Red Sox, now hosts college baseball games. We'll take a look at the current Red Sox stadium later in this video. Across the street from City of Palms Park is Skadium, an ice skating hockey arena, gymnasium, and fitness center all in one. One of America's greatest inventor, Thomas Edison, in 1886, bought land on the Caloosahatchee River in Fort Myers to build a winter home for him and his wife. A good friend of his, Henry Ford, would come to visit, and he loved Fort Myers so much that he decided to build a house next to Thomas Edison. Now, both these houses are a museum that you can visit. North Fort Myers sits across the Caloosahatchee River. At the base of the bridge is North Shore Park with a pier. Fort Myers was named by U.S. News and World Report as the best place to retire in 2019. But it is not only good to retire in, it is ranked high in job growth, with businesses making the move down to Southwest Florida. The median age is 40.7. The Cape Coral Fort Myers Metro has a population of 784,000. The Fort Myers Yacht Basin Marina is located in downtown with many restaurants and historical sites nearby. For you boaters, it is at mile marker 135 on the Okeechobee Waterway, 15 miles from the Gulf. See works of art around the waterfront. Tour the Caloosahatchee River aboard a paddle wheel steamship on the Captain JP with sightseeing and dinner cruises. On the other side of the Caloosahatchee Bridge is Centennial Park, where many festivals and other family-oriented activities are frequently held. Enjoy fresh seafood with waterside dining at Joe's Crab Shack. The downtown area of the Fort Myers River District has made significant improvements in the last 17 years. Really has brought life back to the streets and is continuing to develop. With its brick-paved roads, palm tree-lined streets, vintage architecture, and street lamps. The creative hub of the downtown is the Sidney and Byrne Davis Performing Arts Center. It hosts film festivals, concerts, exhibitions, galas, lectures. See myriverddistrict.com for more info on what to do in downtown Fort Myers. We now go across the bridge to some of the hottest piece of real estate in the country right now. Cape Coral has more water inside its 120 square miles than any other city in the world. 40,000 of the 100,000 lots on Cape Coral are waterfront properties, either on a canal or the Caloosahatchee River. It claims to have more boats per capita than any other city in the world. While many people think of Cape Coral as a great place to retire, and it is, those under 25 actually outnumber those over 65. It has 11 waterfront parks. We are going to show you 2 of them. One of the most popular is Yacht Club Beach and Community Park, with barbecue grills, outdoor racquetball courts, picnic shelters, a beach, fishing pier, and the popular Boathouse Tiki Bar and Grill. Further north on Cape Coral is another waterside park, JC Park, with fitness stations, gazebo, picnic areas, and beach. We now go back over the river, but before we head to Fort Myers Beach, 2 more inland parks to show you real quick. A baseball park, JetBlue Park, also known as Fenway South, the spring home of the Boston Red Sox. We sure hope to hear that Sweet Caroline being sung real soon now. Next to I-75 is the dog-friendly Three Oaks Park, with lighted football, soccer, and baseball fields, sand volleyball courts, playground, racquetball courts, and a tennis center. Now we head to Fort Myers Beach. On the way is one of the better miniature golfs you will find. Smuggler's Cove is a couple of miles north of the San Carlos Bridge. The Key West Express gives you a scenic boat ride on a jet-powered catamaran to the Florida Keys and Mallory Square on Key West, much quicker than driving. It also goes to Marco Island, which we will cover when we do the Naples video. The Matanzas Pass Bridge takes you right into the old Florida Arresta community of Fort Myers Beach. This beach has warm waters, great shelling, marine life, sea turtles, starfish, sand dollars, pelicans, and manatee and dolphin viewing as well. A large pier. Times Square is a lively paid pedestrian community area where there are street performers, shops, and plenty of restaurants with outdoor seating. The sunset celebrations with live music are held Friday and Saturday evening. Old San Carlos Boulevard runs the 1/3 of a mile from Times Square to the Matanzas Pass, where Nervous Nellies provides casual waterfront dining. If you like Mexican food, there's Felipe's. Or try the Yucatan Bar and Grill, dining in a tropical setting. The Pierview Hotel Suites is the closest resort to the pier. If you are traveling in an RV, there's the Red Coconut Resort right on the beach. Two and a half miles from Times Square is Newton Park and Beach, with outdoor showers, restrooms, several covered huts, picnic tables. As we head further south on Estero Island, we cross Big Carlos Pass over to Lover's Key. Big Carlos Pass Bridge, popular for fishing. Lover's Key State Park is made up of barrier islands full of mangrove forests. This is where you really can see some serious nature. Rentals are available for kayaks, canoes, bicycles, beach chairs, umbrellas. It is $8 per vehicle for park entrance, open till sunset. We begin to enter Bonita Springs as we cross Big Hickory Pass, another popular fishing bridge. This area is just so beautiful. There are 9 different public access points to Bonita Beach, 8 smaller ones and the bigger Bonita Beach Park. Here is access number 4. Bonita Beach Park, a 2.5-acre park with boardwalk, swimming area, a gazebo, 8 picnic shelters, a volleyball court, and playground. Parking is $2 per hour. Well, that is as far down the coast as we will go in this video. Further down the coast is Naples and Marco Island, which we will be doing a video of soon. The Fort Myers Cape Coral region will no doubt continue to grow. As you can see, Southwest Florida has so much to offer. As you make travel plans, I would encourage you to support our local travel industry within this country. There are so many great areas to see within the U.S., and Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Sanibel, and Captiva are certainly some of the best.
So guys, if you made it to the end of this video, we truly appreciate you for watching. If you are interested in buying a home, you can visit us at beltonequitygroup.com. You can search homes there and ask any questions that you may have.
I mean, there's a lot to offer here. Very family friendly, investment properties. If you want a homestead property, this is a great time.
Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.